How to fix Snapchat device ban. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you are facing a Snapchat device ban, it means Snapchat has flagged your device due to violations of their terms of service or community guidelines. There are a few things that you can do in order to fix the Snapchat device ban. First, check the type of ban. That is, there are two types of ban. Number 1, device ban, and number 2, account ban. So if you have confirmed that it's device ban, then go ahead and uninstall and unauthorized third-party apps such as SnapTools, and further delete the Snapchat application and reinstall the Snapchat application on your device. Next, clear cache on Snapchat. Go ahead and open your Snapchat application and make sure you are signed in. And now tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen and further tap on the settings button on the top right of your screen. Further scroll down to the Privacy Controls tab and tap on the Clear Data option. You will then see the Clear Cache option. Tap on that, and in the pop-up that appears, tap on Clear again. See if your issue is fixed or not. If not, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can also switch between networks. That is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. And if your issue is still not fixed, then you can try to contact the support team of Snapchat and ask them for further assistance to help you solve your issue. So this is how you can fix Snapchat device ban. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.